Hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and for today ay mabilisang unwrap tayo ng cycling jersey from Rock Bruce. Here's the items. Last time yung nabili natin from Rock Bruce ay triple XL, triple sa jersey and triple sa pants. Actually, yung jersey ay same lang nito, pero this one is double XL and color green. Ito naman, ibang design and double XL. Before kasi, pina-follow ko yung mga comments sa baba na if XXL ka daw ay dapat mag one size up ka. So unfortunately, maluwag po. Sakto siya, yes, sakto. Pero pag nababasa na ng pawis ay parang lumuluwag siya, naglulusen. So hopefully this time ay sakto na siya. This one is double XL. And I am 5'7" and 80 kilograms. Okay? Alam ko, ito madalas yung problem ng provincial buyers kagaya ko na walang chance na makapag-test fit ng mga jerseys. So again, ito na po. Double XL, 80 kilograms, 5'7" height. Ito yung jersey guys. Reflectorized yung print. Sa likod, very basic. 3 pockets and reflectorized yung likod. And may anti-slip. Reflectorized din po ito, dalawa. And this one ay seamless sa shoulders. Ito naman yung sa pants. Anti-slip. Tapos may pocket sa right. And walang pocket sa left. Sa left side, may reflectorized na Rock Bruce. And right side, underneath ng pocket ay may reflectorized din. Okay? And anti-slip of course. And okay, so here it is guys. Be the judge. This one again is double XL and I am 80 kilograms and 5'7" height. So if you're going to ask me, sakto lang talaga siya. Sakto lang talaga for me na may bare belly. Okay? Yun lang. Thank you.